Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a tactical weapon light with a red laser. This is the Olight Baldr RL Mini. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the light, the user manual, a magnetic charger, and the rail adapters. Briefly going over some specs, this comes in a red laser and also a green laser. It has an aluminum alloy body, max output of 600 lumens, 3.7 volt, 230 milliamp hour built-in rechargeable battery, 40 minutes of runtime, 426 feet of throw, max light intensity of 4,225 candela, adjustable rail with a quick release lever, compatible with many of the manufacturers and models. Taking a look at the light, it's small and compact, and you can see the Olight branding on the side. On the other side, you have the vertical and horizontal adjustment for the laser. The back, you can see the levers to activate the light. On the top, you have the lever to lock it into place and to unlock it, along with the rail to adjust the position. The front, you can see the LED light, and right above that is the laser. On the bottom, you have the three settings: light on, light and laser, and just the laser. Just use the slider to put it into your desired light setting. And finally, you have the magnetic charging port. And this also comes with the Glock and 1913 style rail adapters depending on your setup. It also comes with the Allen key so you can install it. Charging is simple, just attach the charger like so. Once it's fully charged, the end will turn green. Looking at the weight, it comes in at 92 grams. Going over the light modes, this is just with the light on. Now switching it with light and laser. And now with laser only. Here I have a Glock 19 Gen 5, and attaching it is quick and easy. Line it up with the rail and lock it into place. Okay, so now let's test it out. This is just with the light on. Now this is with the light and laser on. And finally, this is just with laser. Okay, so there you have it. That's a look at the Baldr RL Mini tactical weapon light with laser, compatible with many of the manufacturers and models. I have left a link in the description box below if you want to check it out.